Visiting Kebbi and Fct on the same day is perhaps an indication that the days left before decision time are fast disappearing. For the Tinubu Shettima campaign team, this is all in a day's work, as close to 4 million votes are at stake. In this frontier of the Northwest, the campaign team received expression of assurances from its supporters in Kebbi with their turnout. Bola Tinubu promised to develop the local agriculture sector, including the Argungu fishery industry, and grow the state economy.
We will manage water projects and industrialization together to make sure that Nigeria becomes a leading agricultural country in this Africa.
Allah ya nuna mana 25 ga wata, Allah ya maida kowa gida lafiya.
And when the campaign train returned to the Federal Capital Territory, on the ground where the candidate won his ticket, again Asiwaju renewed his promises of instituting a government that will ensure the joy of democratic values by improving on the achievements so far recorded.
We are ready to make those changes and be more creative in a way that you definitely you will enjoy your tomorrow.
Courage and audacity.
Courage.
He spoke to power. Because of you. Who are you going to vote for?
Jagaban.
While the APC family promised to make Nigeria a country to be proud of, wives of the presidential candidate and vice presidential candidates appealed to the Nigerian electorate to support their party's candidate in the coming elections. In Abuja, Musbau and Wahab, NT News.